Hi everyone, welcome to Divine Empress Vibes, and we are back with another new video, and this is going to be who and what is coming towards you. You can watch if you're single, in your relationship, because it's not just going to be about a particular person, but it can be about multiple things coming towards you. So without further ado, I have two cards right here in front of me. This is pile 1 and this is pile 2. Okay, this is Joan Collins and Mary Shelley. Just no random guesses. It's just based on what attracts towards you. It has got nothing to do with the cards. But yeah, that's a pile selection for you. Timestamps will be mentioned in the description box below. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram or WhatsApp. So without further ado, I'm sure you must have made your selections. Let's get on with the first pile. Hi Pile 1, so if you have chosen this Joan Collins card, beauty is power, so use it rather than lose it. Age is just a number, irrelevant unless it's a vintage wine. Everyone is a potential character for a novel. So you might be feeling right now that you are, your age is crossing, or this person, whoever is coming towards you, maybe thinking about how things and years are passing by, and you know I'm not there still there. And maybe it's your feeling as well, or you could mirror this person's feeling where you want to look more beautiful, do more things in life, and you sometimes worry about your age. And just so you have that sort of worry, please know that your beauty is powerful. Age is just a number, and you are aging like fine wine. If you stop thinking about how old age is going to get you, forget about all of that. Today is the day. 40s are the new 30s and 30s are the new 20s. So remember, anything you want to do right now, you have the potential to do it, and potential character to build yourself to something you always wanted to do, feel, look and become. Okay, so any point of time you feel like I am not ready to write this book, or I am not ready to be this person, or I can't look this beautiful, no, that's just an illusion. And maybe some of you like reds, or you like wearing jewelries, and you like to read books, you like to do your makeup, eye makeup, lip, you like to wear red lips. And if you're a woman, of course, and if you're a man, you like to look very well groomed, blues, could be very athletic, could be into sports. So it's always remember that what you have is now, and you cannot be complaining about how people are looking better than me, because trust me, the moment you will go out and ask people their age, they are not even what you imagine, because these days people look younger than what they are. So that's because they keep their inner child alive and do what they love to do. Okay, so if there's anything which is holding you back, I can't wear this, that, please don't even bother. Now let's see who and what is coming towards you. Okay, talking about coming towards you, you have the Fool card, you have the Hierophant, you have the Nine of Pentacles, lovely card, yeah. So what I feel here is that you have somebody, or this could be, who's very independent, who's very loving, who is very focused on their work, very spiritual, and somebody you could even meet while you're traveling, or connecting with in your hobby class, maybe in a yoga class, into a dance class, traveling, and while you're enjoying and celebrating yourself. I do feel that music, fun, festival, this could also be, it doesn't matter it's a single person, it can be it can be like a friendship group as well. It could be somebody who are like-minded, who love to hang out with you, would love wine and dine with you. See, here also we have something talking about the wine, and we have wine here. So maybe you are going to go for some get together celebrations where you're going to wine and dine with people, enjoy good times. This could also be if you are a man or a woman, there is an opportunity to meet someone who is single, and would be like you, would be very zen, would be very comfortable in their space, and also would enjoy mingling around with other people. So this is somebody, like, it can be a friend, it can be a potential crush, it can be somebody who can work with you in the long run, could be like a new friend in this hobby group, in this community. And it is like you are enjoying time with these kind of people. And what I can see here is that these are the kind of people, or this person would make your inner child very happy, will bring transformations in your life. If you are somebody who is very introvert, then they will bring your extrovert side, and vice versa. Okay, now What else and who else is coming towards you? See, talking about friendship group, so I have friendship. You are going to meet, you're going to come out of your own jail trap and your mental anxiety, because you need such kind of people. Okay, one last one. Okay, perfect. So it seems like you prayed for some to come out of a stuck situation, and you're meeting people who are going to help you come out of this place. You might also visit a place of worship, and somewhere you may have wished, prayed, hoped that things would turn out to be better at your home, any stuck blockages, and somebody is coming to help you. Okay, like God, cannot be God, universe cannot be everywhere, so they send people who can heal you. And maybe you're healing through friends, through community, through a specific person. If this is about a specific person, then there is a person who would love to go to spiritual places with you. This could be a partner. You may already have a partner, or you may find someone. Okay, and you will enjoy this time with your partner. I feel that this person or you could be somewhere into a mental trap. I feel this is more of your energy, where this person will bring you out of your anxiety zone, your stress zone, where you tend to spiral into negative thinking. Okay, you may be very cautious with who you deal with, but this person will help you come out of that comfort zone, because maybe you're always in your cocoon and shell and reading books and being home, comfortable eating food, but this person will make you take risk in life, make you go out and talk to other people, make you do adventurous things, perhaps cycling, running around, so this person can be also very creative and would love to be in nature, would love to create something new with you, bring new vitality towards you. And there's a hope for the future, that new beginnings are coming into your life. There's a possibility that you may start a new creative venture with this person, or single-handedly. Okay, because we are not just specifically talking about a person, it's also about you starting something new, something creative. It could be, if you are already with a partner, there's a high chance that you might start a new life together with a new baby. Okay, and it's very important that you stay around greenery. Okay, zen place is coming for you, zen people are coming for you, where you want to be in the nature, where you want to be at peace with you are not looking out for people who are stressing you out or always in the hustle culture. You're looking out for people who are actually bring out your fun side, your peaceful side, to be with human, that is bringing the real relationship. Okay, uh, within you, like you are, but earlier maybe you were not a people person, but now you have become this person, and now you enjoy dressing, reading books, and maybe you will also share this knowledge, that this person or you could be very knowledgeable, and you are sharing this knowledge with with others as well, and they are impressed. A lot of people are impressed and loving your energy, pile one. It seems like you ooze out positivity, you ooze out healing energy. That's because you worked on yourself, you worked on your healing, and that's why people also would love to connect with you. Okay, you are my obsession. Okay, one more, burn the bridge. Okay, so I'll just take few more cards, and let me just, what else is coming for you, pile one? Okay, talking about new beginnings. So pile one, you need to know that, see, there is somebody in your vicinity, or somebody who's still obsessing over you. So this person may hover around your energy, or maybe there is an sort of unhealthy attachment here, and maybe you burn bridges with some toxic people, so they want to come back towards you. Now you've already said the final goodbyes, or you may know that there's no way back. If you know that this was toxic, that you have burned the bridges with this person and you don't want them, but such people are obsessing over you still. If you know that there is no toxicity here, but some people are still stalking, and specific someone may be stalking your energy, they are fixated on you, they are trying to find your socials, trying to stay updated with your life, with the pictures you post, with the information, with even the words that you write. Okay, and and keep thinking over and over about it. So this person, whoever it is, it's not at peace. They are somebody who could self-sabotage a lot, may have ego, fear, frustration issues. They could be lacking their non-confidence on you. So if you are the healed version, you may not take such kind of people back into your life for your own good, because some people are good riddance. Okay, some endings are for good, And if you know that things can be repairable, you know that things weren't so toxic and I want this person in my life, then there's a chance of transition and new beginnings into your life. But remember to not get into tragic endings where you know that this can create another problem in the future. Okay, so it's a very good time to do donations also at this point of time. Sometimes when people leave your life, it's for good, because they cannot come back, and they might create problems into your life, which if you already have history with this person. Now if this is a new connection, and if this is like something hasn't moved, so know that there's somebody from a past or a past life who you feel deja vu moments with, or you feel like there's some connection with this person who would want to come back. Okay, but they carry their own set of trauma. So you need to know that you have to give this person a space and time to heal before they are eligible to being friends with you, or being your crush, or being your partner in the future. Yeah. Now what else? Who else is coming towards you? Okay, what else is coming? Who else is coming? So a lot of communication, traveling, and success is also on its way. You will be recognized for the good deeds that you're doing for the community. You feel your finances are growing. You'll feel more emotionally, financially stable and secure. There will be a lot of, if you are into a business, a lot of opportunities, clients rushing towards you, entering that door. So sometimes people refer from a friend's reference, and you will be like, all of a sudden, where am I getting from all of these clients, all of these customers coming? And you'll be very busy. So prep up yourself. Okay, you will have to create new things. Your creativity should be on tap, and you should be on you should be available for to take all of this kind of workload, and you'll be happily doing this. I see that you're being recognized in your community, so someone is going to put you in a spot, because, or going to highlight your good deeds, compliment you in front of a lot of people, and appreciate you, because you are turning out to be a winner, you're turning out to be successful, you're seen in the spotlight, you have some magical, beautiful healing powers, and people love that aura about you. And this is somebody who is going to not stop talking about you. So you really do have fans, pile one. I don't know what you're doing, but yes, you do have fans right here. You will also feel very creative. You'll want to do something more for the society, because the society is also being very loving towards you, giving back towards you. So someone here could be a good match for you. If you are looking, if you're single, then you may find someone from your own society and community. So go out there, don't sit at home. Okay, meet new people, connect with spiritual people, because I feel that this community is not just fun, this community is also very spiritual. All right, so last few cards, and I'll see what is the guidance coming towards you. Okay, what's the guidance coming to you? Dreams. Your dreams may be more vivid and intense than usual. So maybe you're getting a lot of dreams, and dream comes through awareness. So pay attention to your dreams, okay, because your dreams are sending messages. You are telepathically connected, spiritually connected to the universe, or to a specific person, or you might get dreams of a specific person, or dreams of certain situations happening into your life, and it may just happen in the future. So pay attention, see what your dreams are trying to convey to you, and see that if it's aligned. Now dreams cannot be just something when you sleep. It can also be something that you have a certain goal into your life and you want to achieve that. If this is a good time to start and go on with your wish, with that goal, with that dream, that you, it's not just to sit around and think about it. Okay, one fine day I'll do this. No, this is the time to do it. This, you have the right connections, you have the right network, you have the right set of people coming towards you. So maybe you will have a supportive gang who wants to start this with you. Okay, a blessing on your health. A blessing on your health. So your health is getting better, your family members' health is getting better. If you had anxiety, or if you had you suffering from some kind of health issues, then universe and divine is helping you with a good health, and it's giving you the clarity also on what needs to be done. If do your health checkups on time, okay, and see what vitamins you can take. And sometimes we don't know, it's just minor things, but it's, even if you feel like I'm perfectly fit and fine, sometimes you lack certain vitamins into your body, and you may want to take that so that it can improve your health or keep you in a better mood or sanity. And Yes, all of them should be done under observation after prescription. So make sure that you're taking care of your health, because maybe you will be in your pink of your health because you also are traveling a lot, right? You're going to travel, meet new people, you need to have that kind of energy. So God and universe is giving you this energy, giving you this people, so that you can enjoy all of this. All right, so that's what I have for you, pile one. Now I hope you like your reading, and if you resonated with it, or if you like something related, well, please comment and let me know. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out via Instagram or WhatsApp. I love listening from you guys. Please make this community live and keep sharing, commenting, liking. It helps to grow the channel as well. I'll see you in the next one. Please take care. Bye bye. Hi, pile 2. So if you chose this Mary Shelley card, okay, the beginning is always today. Elegance is inferior to virtue. A slavish bondage to parents cramps every faculty of the mind. Deep. Okay, so pile 2, I feel that this is a new beginning into your life. There is someone new who's coming all together, and you don't see this coming. This could be somebody who's coming very quietly into your life, okay? And at in the start, you may not even appreciate this person, or you may be not aware when is this person coming into your life. But because you may be dealing with some kind of healing, or have some parental issues. You could be a parent yourself, and you're not open to love. But right now, you have to focus on your life, on your work, on your studies, on your career, and this person is coming from behind. So if this resonates, so let's move on to more such cards. Let's find out more. Okay, this could also be your energy, but this person seems to be somewhere who is very quiet, who could be keeping an eye towards you. Okay, who could be like, first they'll observe you a lot and then they'll come towards you. Okay, all right, pile 2, who and what is coming towards pile 2? Okay, pile 2. Pile 2, correction, it can be somebody from the past as well, but you don't see them coming. But this is somebody who have broken your heart, caused you some kind of pain. This doesn't necessarily has to be somebody who is romantic terms, but maybe somebody it could be a colleague as well. It could be an ex-boss, mentor, somebody who didn't appreciate you in the past but now wants to come back into your life and want to do justice. Okay, this can be friends, family members, people who, from your own people who didn't treat you right, okay, caused you pain in some shape and format. And right, you become very practical, or they acted very practical in the past instead of thinking about your feelings or what you've done for them. Right now the emotions are really catching up for them. Okay, so they kind of started missing your goodness. They are seeing that you are being such a nice person. This is also somebody who is seeing that you are in the spotlight and loved by all of people, and now they feel the regret. There can be a third party situation here as well. Okay, so what else, who and what is coming towards you? Okay, there's somebody who cannot move on from you. This could be an ex-person. This could be an ex-person who's missing you. They got no closure. Okay, maybe you don't want to justify this person. You have silently exit, or this person has silently exited from your life without giving an explanation, and now they see your energy pulling back and they want to come towards you. Please protect your energy by all means. You might receive a text, call, message from this person. They want to explain now. They want to talk to you now. They miss the good old days, the time spent with you, past memories haunting them as well. Because they're so used to you always coming back that they left the door open thinking that you'll come back one day, but you didn't. You are just taking your energy back and you don't want to feel that familiar pain again. Okay, some ghost of the past is coming back right now very clearly. uh, Especially in the near the moon cycle, this person it's have cried a lot over you. If you think that they haven't cried over you, then there is a possibility that if there's a specific person I'm talking about here, then this person may have cried over you, or they miss the vibes that you had, the love that you shared, how you took care of them, and how things were unfinished between you two. Okay, so what else, who and what else is coming towards us? So there's a 20% chance of a new beginning of a new person, and 80% of more past person, somebody from the past, group, acquaintance, colleague, somebody of that sort who is wanting to reconnect with you. Yeah, evidence. Okay, natural disaster, and goal. Okay, so yeah, this person is talking on you. Pile 2. Very clearly, this person is doing investigation, finding proof what's going on in your life, if you are doing well, and if you miss them, because they can't find any proof on you. They are trying to take a risk, and they all to come and reach out because something has really major happened in their life, which they want to share with you, because only you would understand is what I'm feeling. They see you to be very goal oriented, to be very relaxed in your energy. You have a purpose, you are going on moving, you are very successful, or you are reaching heights in your career, or you have somehow successfully, outgrown the situation, and now you are focused towards the future. This could be, like I said, not just romantic terms, but also people from the past who now see you thriving instead of struggling, where they were expecting you to struggle. Okay, now you have a purpose in life. Now they feel that what you are doing and the destination that you are going is the right thing, in, and you always were right, but it's too late to realize that now. But these people want to amend things with you, fix things with you. Okay, they see you to be very relaxed, at peace, at ease, and they are unable to find that peace within. They are struggling to find that peace within themselves, because they want to know, how do you keep your peace, how do you manage to always be this calm even in the storm, because right now they are facing challenges in their life and they want to learn from you. Okay, and if this is a specific person, this person wants you back because you were the anchor for them. A blessing on the children. Okay, so if some of you are looking forward to conceive, so what is coming towards you? A new kid on the block. So maybe if you are at that stage of life, then there is a possibility that you may be pregnant, or there will be more kids, or there will be kids in the family. Okay, so that will bring happiness towards you. This is also an energy of playing with, being childlike again, being happy again after heartbroken. Your inner child is healing. Okay, and I'll take one more, because this is not for everybody. A blessing on your health. So this came in pile 1 as well. So some of you are cross watchers. Welcome back. So yes, your health is getting better, and you are being blessed with good health, because of late a lot of people have been struggling with their health, right? Mental health, physical health. So now I feel that universe is wanting to gift you with good health, because health is wealth. You may have the energy to move on, you may have healed your heart, and you are ready to take on new things into your life. You are feeling yourself again, you want to beautify things around you, you want to be out in the nature, you are willing to take that risk and be more energetic, goal oriented. So that energy, even getting that energy back into life, is a blessing, right? What else is coming, and who and what is coming towards you? Okay, love is coming, unconditional love, self love, and wholeness. So yes, certainly love is coming in your life. New love, old love, past love, self love. And this is somebody having unconditional love, and a kind of love that is obsession, that's attraction. They are wanting to start a new phase and bring renewal and growth into your life. Okay, how? But they think they are a blessing, they think but if they re-enter your life, a new phase can begin, and the connection has the potential to grow in the future. They want to change your mind somehow, I don't know how. They want to rise from the ashes in a way where, even if things were, you burn the bridge with them, they want to reprogram or change the dynamic of the connection by starting anew. Now it's completely on you if you want to give them a chance or not, if you've grown over this connection. Okay, but love is certainly coming into your life, pile 2. There's still spark here, and they can feel it. Ace of Pentacles and Four of Swords. Okay. And apart from love, I see that there is new opportunities in terms of finances, money, new business opportunity, a new job for a lot of people. If you are still hunting, if you are looking out for a job, okay, your finances will grow. There's a new way of income rushing into your life after a period of healing, after a period of growth. You were able to achieve. So there is health here, and this is about healing as well. It's about resting, taking that good sleep, smelling the roses. So you are not rushing it, you are actually smelling the roses right now, and taking things in a slow pace because you want to sleep well, eat well, look good. And that's exactly is how your vibe is changing. You are attracting something that you once upon a time wanted. After a period of ill health, after a period of, maybe you had dark circles, your skin was sulking and your head was aching, and you might feel older than your age. But since you are sleeping, and it's very important for you to take good rest and sleep, that's how you feel relaxed. You feel like I have achieved things in my life just by being in the moment. And that's what's coming into your life, because here we also have relaxation. So maybe you are going on a vacation, you are going to read book, you're going to release some kind of toxic pattern, ending certain, you've ended a cycle of your life, and now you are more in a relaxed and slow paced growth and kind of life. Okay, what else? You're worthy. It's time to stop feeling unworthy, unloved, and undeserving. So, if you have been having self worth issues, and if you were thinking that, I'm not good enough, or maybe your, self love is very important if you want to attract the right kind of love. So, if, and even if you don't want to attract love, even if you're not looking out for somebody outside you, it's very important that you appreciate your own self. Otherwise, your health will deteriorate. You will not be confident. You'll not be able to do daily tasks. You'll be in a survival mode always. It's very important to know that better said than done, that you are worthy, that Pai 2, you are lovable. That's why people want to come back into your life. That's why they want to give the love back to you again. You're totally deserving. So never in a minute think about that, I'm unworthy, okay? Because you're totally worth it. Soul searching. It's time to go within and uncover your true feelings. It's also a period of soul searching for you, where you might be thinking about universe, about your purpose in life. It's about what do you want, your true feelings, how can you do things for yourself. Okay, and you are uncovering a lot of hidden potential at this point of time. So you're discovering yourself, Paito. And it's a beautiful, beautiful reading, I must say. If some of you could be soul searching in a way where you don't have to travel somewhere, but connecting with more spiritual people, connecting with your working on your shadow aspect, healing the old phase, and finding out new interest in your life. Maybe you're discovering new things about your life, like you didn't even know that this is happening. Okay, you might see a lot of 444s into your life. That's your angels also helping you understand yourself better, understand people around you better. Making the right decision and clarity is very important at this point of time, because there is a lot of people want to come back and be in your energy, because now that you have healed. So you need to know, because you've been a beacon of light. Okay, you could be a leader, you could be a teacher, you could be a mentor for a lot of people around you, knowingly, unknowingly, but that's what that's why they're wanting your energy. So be very careful with your energy, because your energy is valuable and very precious that way. Okay, so this is what I have for you, pile 2, and I hope you find something relatable. If you like my reading, please comment and let me know. And also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram or WhatsApp. I will see you in my next reading. Please take care. Bye bye.